Hi friends, good morning. So let us continue Quadratic Equations chapter. So in our previous video, we discussed how to calculate the roots of a quadratic equation where the coefficient of x square was 1. Today, in this video, let us see what to do if the coefficient of x square is other than 1. Let us see this example. 2x square minus 11x plus 40 is equal to 0. Simple thing, you have to multiply this into this. How much? 80. Let us, 1 minute, I am sorry. Not this one. See, 240 is 80. Now, the product must be 80 and sum must be 21. Sum 21, product 80. 16 5s 80. 16 5s 80. 16 plus 5 21. So now the numerical values are 16 and 5. Then go to sign. B is minus, A and C are plus. B, A and C have opposite signs. So both the roots are positive. Fine. Root sign is over. Then you have to divide the roots by 2 because we have multiplied 40 into 2 to get these values. So you have to divide by 2. 16 by 2, 5 by 2. 8 comma 5 by 2 are the roots. 8 comma 5 by 2 are the roots of this equation. That is, x values are 8 and 5 by 2. So let us solve in a traditional way. 2x square, this is minus 16x minus 5x minus 16 into minus 5 plus 40 is equal to 0. 2x square, 21x is divided as minus 16x minus 5x. 2x into x minus 8 minus 5 into x minus 8 is equal to 0. 2x minus 5 into x minus 8 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 8. X minus 8 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 8. 2x minus 5 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 5 by 2. Just I have shown the traditional way also. So if a given equation is given like this with coefficient something other than 1, you have to multiply. I tell you once again, you have to multiply this into this. 2 into 40, 80. So now the product must be 80, sum must be 21. Accordingly, you have to select the roots. Those are 16 and 5. 16 5s are 80. 16 plus 5, 21. So after that, regarding sign of the roots, both the roots are positive, fine. 16 and 5, fine. Then again what you have to do, you have to divide by 2. Both the roots must be divided by 2. 16 by 2, 5 by 2, 16 by 2, 8, 8 comma 5 by 2 are the roots of this equation. Now let us consider one more example. Three x square plus 20x plus 28 is equal to 0. 3 into 28, 3 28s, 3 28s, 84. 3 8s, 3 28s, 84. Now, the product must be 84, sum must be 20. Sum must be 20. What are the factors for 84? 12 sevens are 84, but 12 plus 7, not 20. 14 sixes are 84. 14 sixes are 84. 14 plus 6, 20. So now the roots are numerical roots are 14 comma 6. 14 comma 6. After that, what you have to do? Sign. All ABC are positive. All ABC are positive. So roots must be negative. So minus 14, minus 6. After that, what you have to do? You have to divide by 3. Minus 14 by 3, minus 6 by 3. So the final roots are minus 14 by 3, comma, minus 2. These are the roots of this quadratic equation. So it is nothing. The thing what you have to do is you have to multiply this with this. So now your product must be this, sum must be this. Accordingly, you have to find the roots. After that, you decide the sign. After that, you have to divide by 3. That's all. Okay. And then, if larger values are given, suppose x square minus 43x plus 456 is equal to 0. Sometimes larger values are given. X square minus 43x plus 456 is equal to 0. Now the product must be 456. Sum must be 43. See, first go from 1 and 2. 1 into 2. 1 into 2. 2. Product 6. No, this is wrong. Next 2 into 3. Here you have to see, product must be 6. 1 into 6 is equal to 6, but 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Sum of the roots how much? 3. Unit digit must be 3. Now so this is not valid. Now let us go for 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Fine. Product is 6. Fine. But 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Here 3 is there. So not 2 plus 3. Go for 3 into 2. 2 into 3, 3 into 2. Both are same. You need not go for that. Next 4 into 9. Here you have to get product must be 6. The unit digit in the product is 6. So if you take 4 here, must be 9. 4 into 9, 36. 4 into 9, 36. So unit digit 6. And sum of the roots 4 plus 9, 13. 3 is coming. So this 456 must be the product of 14 and 29. 14 into 29 or 24 into 19. 24 into 19. 14 plus 29, 43. 24 plus 19 is also 43. But we must get the product 456. 24 into 19. 19 4s 76. 19 2s 38 plus 7 45. So the roots are 24 and 19. The roots are 24 and 19. After that sign here, this is minus, this and this are plus. So B, A and C have the opposite sign. Both the roots are positive. So the roots of this equation is 24 comma 19. You got it now? You got it now? First go from 1. First go from 1. 1 into, here you have to get the product 6. Digit in the units place 6. You have to go for that. So 1 into 6, 6, fine. But 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Here we have to sum how much we have to get? 3. So this is not our combination. Next, let us take 2. If you take 2 here it must be 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. We have to get the product 6. We have to get the product 6. But 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Here we have to get 3. So next go for 4 into 9. 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36. Units digit 6. Fine. Then 4 plus 9 13. 4 plus 9 13. So here we are getting 3. So this 456 must be the product of either 14 into 29 or 24 into 19. 24 into 19 is equal to 456. This 14 into 29, 14 9s are 126. 14 2s 28 plus 12 40. 14 into 29 406. But here we have 456. The roots are 24 comma 19. Let us see one more example. X square plus 32x plus 252 is equal to 0. First 1 into 2. Here you have to get product 2. So if you take 1 here, it must be 2 here. 1 into 2, fine. But 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So this combination is wrong. Next let us take 2 here. Let us take 2 here. If you take 2 here, here you can take 6. 2 into 6 is equal to, we are getting 12. But 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So the combination is wrong. Let us take 3. 3 into 4. 3 into 4. 3 into 4, 12. Fine. But 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So this combination is not correct. Let us take 4 here. 4 into 3 already you have seen. Next 4 into 8. 4 into 8. 4 into 8. Product 2 fine. 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 12. 2 is coming. So 252 is the product of either, here only one thing, 14 into 18. 14 into 18. 14 plus 18. 32. 14 into 18. Definitely it must be 252. 18 4s 72. 18 1s 18 plus 7 25. So the roots of this equation are 14 and 18. Coming to sign, all ABC are positive. So the signs are minus 14 and minus 18. So your approach must begin. Your approach must begin with 1 in 2. 1 in 2. Here you have to get the unit digit 2. First take 1 into 2. 2 fine. But 1 plus 2 3. But here it is 2. Again you have tried 2 into 6. 2 into 6 12. 2 is fine. But 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So this is not correct. This is not correct. Again 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is equal to 12, fine. But 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. This is wrong. Next you have taken 4 into 8. 4 into 8, 32. Units digit 2. 4 plus 8, 12. Units digit 2. So this 252 must be definitely the product of 14 and 18. 14 and 18. 14 plus 18, 32. 14 into 18, 252. So like that you have to find the roots of this equation. If anybody don't understand, if anybody doesn't understand, I am prepared to tell you once again. If you do not understand, you post your doubt in the comment box so that I will repeat the same once again. You should not have any doubts. Not one time, twice, thrice, any number of times. I am prepared to repeat the problem, provided if you do not understand. Okay. And then, so after solving the quadratic equations, now let us see how to solve the linear equations. How to establish the relation between x and y when two linear equations are given. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 5x plus 8y is equal to 25, like that. These are the given two linear equations. Is equal to 11 means minus 11 is equal to 0, minus 25 is equal to 0. You know the standard form of a linear equation. What is that? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of a linear equation. Here two linear equations are given. You have to establish the relation between x and y. In a traditional way, you can solve these two equations and get the values of x and y and can establish the relation between x and y. But here I tell you the simple way. See, first you count this one. Here there are two cases. Case 1. Here example is case 1 example. Case 1. This into this minus, first you have to write these values. 2, 3, minus 11, 2. 5, 8, minus 25, 5. First you have to write the values like this. Coefficients you have to write 2, 3, minus 11, again 2. 5, 8, minus 25, again 5. Then first you have to verify this into this minus this into this. 2 8 is 16, minus 5 3 is 15. 16 minus 15, 1, that is positive. Plus 1. Then x is equal to this into this minus this into this. 3 into minus 25. Minus 75 minus 11 into 8 minus 88. Minus of minus 88 plus 88. 88 minus 75, 13. X is equal to, take x is equal to 13. Here we need not find the exact values of x and y. This 13 is not the exact value of x and y. But we need not find the values of x and y. Just we have to say the relation. We have to decide the relation between x and y. For that sake, for that purpose, just you do like this. This into this minus this into this. 3 into minus 25. 3 into minus 25. Minus 8 into minus 11. 8 into minus 11. Minus 75. minus into minus plus 88. 8 minus 5 3, 8 minus 7 1. This is equal to 13. This is equal to 13. So x you can take it as a 13. X you can take it as a 13. And then coming to y, this into this minus 55 minus this into this minus 25 into 2 minus 50 minus of minus 50 plus 50. This is equal to minus 5. X plus 13 y minus 5 x greater than y. X plus 13 y minus 5 x greater than y. This is case 1 where this into this minus this into this is equal to positive. Actually, this is a1 b2 minus a2 b1. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then a1 b2 minus a2 b1. You just remember like this. First this into this minus this into this is positive. So then simply this into this minus this into this is what? This into this minus this into this is what? This into this minus 11 into 5 minus 25 into 2 minus 25 into 2 minus 55 minus into minus plus 50 minus 5. So x plus 13 y minus 5. Here x greater than y. Here x greater than y. Fine. Let us see one more example. In case 1, you can write any equation. 5x plus 8y minus 7 is equal to 0. 2x plus 5y plus 11 is equal to 0. This is another equation. First you have to do 5, 8, minus 7, 5. Next 2, 5, 11, 2, 5, 11, again 2, again 2. First you have to check up this into this minus this into this. 5 5 is 25, 25 minus 16, 9. 25 minus 16, 9, 9 positive value. So then x is equal to, this into this 8 into 11 minus 5 into minus 7, 5 into minus 7, 88 minus into minus plus 35. This is equal to 123. X is equal to 123. X is equal to, for the relationship sake only, it is not the exact value of this equation. Only for relationship sake. This is x. X is equal to 123. Let us see y. Y is equal to this into this minus 7 into 2. This into this minus this into this minus 11 into 5 minus 14 minus 55 minus 69. X 123, y minus 69. So here also x greater than y. X 123, y minus 69. So x greater than y. You got it now? So to establish the relation between two linear equations, you have to follow this simple way. So don't go by solving in a traditional way. You will get fractions. And substituting those fractions in the equation to get the other value is a cumbersome. So don't go for that. Go by this way. This is the simplest way to establish the relation in case 1. Let us see the case 2. What is case 1? a1 b2 minus a1 a2 b1 is equal to positive. These are the two equations. Let us say case 2. Case 2. 3 into 6, 18 minus 5 into 4, 20. 18 minus 20. 18 minus 20 minus 2. Minus 2. So, if this into this minus this into this is minus, then what you have to do? You have to reverse the relation. Final relation you have to reverse. If you get x greater than y, your answer is x less than y. If you get x less than y, your answer is x greater than y. That's all. Finding the values of x and y is the same as we have done in the previous problem. Finding the values of x and y is the same as we have done in the previous problem. But what you have to do? This into this minus this into this is minus. So, you have to reverse the relation. If x greater than y, you have to say x less than y. If x less than y, you have to say x greater than y. Now, let us see. Let us find the values of x and y. 3, 4, minus 12, 3. 3, 4, minus 12, 3. Then 5, 6, 16, 5. This into this, x is equal to 4 into 16 minus 12 into minus 12. This is equal to 64, minus into minus plus, 12 6s is 72. 136, x is equal to 136. X is equal to 136. Let us see y. Y is equal to this into this. Minus 12 into 5 minus 16 into 3. 16 into 3. Minus 60 minus 48 minus 108 minus 108. X 136, y minus 108. So definitely x greater than y. Definitely x greater than y. But here this into this minus this into this is minus. This is case 2 minus. So you have to reverse the relation. You have to reverse the relation. So your final answer is x less than y. Your final answer is x less than y. According to this calculation, x greater than y. But here you got minus. Here you got minus. Therefore, your final relation is x less than y. X less than y. That is the way you have to find. So here only there are two cases. There are only two. First you have to check up whether this into this minus this into this is minus or plus. If it is plus, fine. If it is plus, fine. Whatever values you get here, you go according to that values. But if this is minus, so finally you have to reverse the relation. If you get greater than, your answer is less than. If it is less than, your answer is greater than. Okay, friends. Five x plus 2y minus 17 is equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. See, first thing, this into this minus this into this. 5 4s 20 minus 12 3 is 36. 20 minus 36. Here you are getting minus value. Minus value. Okay. Minus value doesn't make any difference. Finally, we have to reverse the relation. Okay. X. First, let us find the values of x and y. 5, 12, minus 17, 5. 3, 4, minus 12, again 3. X is equal to 12 into minus 12 12 into minus 12 minus 4 into minus 17. 4 into minus 17 minus 144 minus into minus plus 68. 14 minus 8 6 7 minus 76. X is equal to minus 76. X is equal to minus 76. Let us see why. This into this. Minus 17 into 3. Minus 17 into 3 minus 12 into 5 minus 51 minus into minus plus 60. So 60 minus 51 9. 60 minus 51 9. X is minus value, y is equal to plus value. So definitely x less than y. Definitely x less than y according to these values. But here you got a minus sign. You got minus sign. Therefore your final answer is x greater than y. Your final answer is x greater than y. This is your final answer. So this is the way how you have to establish the relation between two linear equations. Don't